Hello, friends. Let's learn about variant vowels that sound like the oi in boy. The oi sound can be spelled with an oi and consonant oy. Let's get ready to read some words spelled with oi. Soil, coil, point, coin, boil. Now, let's try some nonsense words. Look for the OI that sounds like oi. Zoi, shoy, loy. Read the sentence with me. Look for the words that have the OI. The boy pointed to the coin he found while digging in the soil. Let's read some consonant OY words. Joy, boy, destroy, toy, royal. Read the sentence with me. Look for the words that have the OY. The toy brought the royal little boy so much joy. Now you are a variant vowel oi genius! Thanks for watching Whimsical Teacher Tube. Don't forget to like and subscribe.